Good day, investors. Welcome to the 25th of February 2015 market review. The trade for the day is called Old Mutual, code is OML, and the last traded price was R39.35. The action is to do a short. The objective is to go from the blue line to the green line, trading downwards. Entry level will be R39.45, and the target on the green line will be R37.89. Stop loss to be used on this trade is R40.23. Currently there's no open trades, and these are all the closed trades. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares of the JSE, and that's indicated by the blue line. The blue line is still trading above the 5-day moving average. That's the dotted grey line, and the solid grey line of 20-day moving average. Still in a positive channel. Now, looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, they closed about 92 points stronger, and they actually closed on this new record high here on the blue line on approximately about 18,209 points. So they're very high on a closed new record high here. And looking at your Bollinger Bands, there's still a bit of movement there, but they closed on this high, and currently the futures are very flat. Looking at the J200, now that's the top 40 index of the JSE, and this is very important to start following this, because today is the budget meeting of the South African markets. We also closed physically on a new high yesterday, just about 15 points higher, and as you can see here, positive momentum upwards, and you can see it and confirm it on the Bollinger Bands, trading between the green and the red line upwards as well. So we need to track this closer. Currently it shows that we could have a bit of a positive opening this morning, but very small. But today's market will actually look at the budget meeting later today, and that could be quite volatile in our markets. Let's go to some of the banking shares. Looking at Barclays Bank, still trading the sideways pattern here, close to the 189 rand, struggling to break this 191 rand 67 level. So you can actually see the sideways pattern playing out there. Look at this. Looking at Standard Bank, still struggling to break this 155 rand levels, or the low of 153 to say that it can go down. Still in a positive movement, but still in a sideways pattern. Looking at your Investex, Investex did come down from the previous highs, and the previous high was about 104 rand and 59 cents. Currently trading at 103 rand 89, but this one is still in a positive momentum, trading between the green and the red, and you can actually extend this lines here, and it will actually show you at any time if this share breaks 100 rand more downside could be due. Let's go to MTN. Now MTN did lose a lot of momentum the last day or two, and as you can see, it went here to 217 rand in the highs, and it just physically came down. And this one is also starting to form a pattern here, where it's getting support here at 211 rand, 210 rand if you extend this blue line on the support, and it's testing the middle green line on the Bollinger Bands as well. So keep a close eye on the oil price as well, still trading here at $50 per barrel at this moment. Vodacom. Vodacom did lose momentum from the previous highs, coming a bit down. It seems like a double top. Need to see if it's going to go test this middle green line at 136. If broken, more downside to 133, but the share is quite topish at this moment. Let's go and look at your retailers quickly. Shoprite, previous day went up a lot. The share went almost 4 rand up, and yesterday it came about 10 rand down, almost 5.5%. And it went back to the support here of 170 rand, 169 rand. So that was just a spike going up, coming down, tested at the top of the Bollinger Band, and it came down. Now that spike is due to fundamental data that came through, and we need to consider the technical analysis very soon, because normally a spike like that buggers up the technical analysis on those specific shares. Let's go to Mr. Price. Mr. Price is the following one. It's still testing the previous highs here. There's 1, 2, 3 highs, but it's still in a sideways pattern. Let's go and look at Woolies. Woolies is also starting to flat out. Yesterday just a 1 cent movement, and the previous day minus 4 cent movement, and the day before that it went actually 2 rand 4 up, almost 2.2%, but it's forming a peak there. very soon I will need to adjust my Fibonacci to the previous highs. Exaro did very well. It went to the 115 rand levels, broke at 111, went to the 115.16 levels. Next expectation high could be back at 118 rand 90, and this could be a start of a momentum going upwards. Track it very closely, definitely in the short term. So let's see what happens today with the budget meeting. And Greece had a meeting last night. The market liked the meeting. So a lot of data still due for this week. Just we're halfway through this week now. Enjoy your day.